Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this session we will learn date time topic in Python. So let's get started. Date in Python is not a data type, but we can import a module named datetime to work with date as date objects. So let's see how to retrieve current date. To do that, type import datetime x is equals to datetime.datetime.now. Here this line returns the correct datetime where the first datetime is module name and the second datetime is class name. So when I compile this, I get the output as 2024 9 10 then 14 colon 04 colon 06 239403. But you people might get different output when you execute because it gives a current datetime as output. So as you can see the output contains year, month, day, hour, minute, second and microsecond. The datetime module has many methods to return information about the date object. So I will try to demonstrate some more examples. So let's see how it works. For example, how to return the year and name of the weekday. To do that, let's type import datetime x is equals to datetime.datetime.now, then print of x dot year. This line returns the year. Then print of x dot strf time of percentage capital A. Here strf time method formats the date according to the specified format string. The format percentage capital A returns the full weekday name and prints the current day of the week. Like percentage A, we also have other codes as you can see on the screen. Each and every format has its own function. Similarly, there are more formats to work with. So now if we compile this, we get the output as 2024 Tuesday. Moving on, let's see how to create date objects. To do that, we use datetime constructor, or you can also say class of the datetime module. It requires 3 parameters to create a date, that is year, month, day. So let's see how it works. Type import datetime, then x is equals to datetime.datetime of 2025 6 5. You can directly type date, then type print of x. Now if we compile this, we get the output as 2025 6 5 and then rest is 0. It also takes parameters for time and time zone, but they are optional. If you don't provide the time values, then it returns the default value of 0 as you can see on the output screen. So this was all about datetime module and datetime class. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.